Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Cristina. Today I have a haul of goodies, so let's see what I was able to snag up and let's see if they're actually worth buying. Okay, the first thing I want to share are these stickers that I was able to get. And these are some Christmas stickers. The snowman, look at that. Does have a red bow, and this one's a glossy finish on there. So it does have a shine. How pretty are those? These are actually real nice. There's a stocking, the bell, some berries. Look at that. How pretty are those? Some presents, some bells and a poinsettia. You even got like a banner, cocoa. These are actually really, really nice. Look at that. You got the nutcracker. I think this is together. Nutcracker. That. The cocoa. The candy stick. Then you got some stockings. That candy canes. So you got a lot of big ones, small ones. Snow globe. Oh, these are real nice. The sand snowman. That. Oh, I love these. You get the Christmas tree, the bow, some bells, poinsettias, the berries, ornaments, snowman, Santa hat, presents. Yeah, they get quite a bit. Oh, this is actually a good and a nice little sticker kit. Oh, you get a cardinal, little house. Yeah, I love these. So that's all those. And this one has little like stickers on it and does have a little frame on it. You got the Christmas tree. Actually, I love it. Christmas tree. You get the Santa. And this one you had different ones that you could choose from. Santa, the snowman. You also have the nutcracker, the gingy, and the deer. And it does have the drawstring. Look at that. So you can add some little goodies in there. So I was able to get those, and you get 6 of those. And then I did haul another set of bags. And these are also burlap, but they do have like a foiling on there. And they are a little smaller than this one. Okay, but you got the red foiling. Look at that. This is the presents and snow foiling in gold. You do have the stars. This one has the ornaments. You do have a little little Christmas foiling there. You do have a red ornaments, green presents. It's almost like an ugly sweater type, but in red. Oh, I love this one. And I don't know what that writing is, but that's actually, I like this side. You got that one. And then you do have this Christmas tree one. This is actually not too bad except for this one here. I don't know what all that is. But yeah, so that's not that bad. It could go minus that one. Okay, next thing I have are some Christmas bows. Look at these. And they are AB, so they do have a shine to them. But look how big they are. You get the green one. You do get some red ones. Let me show you that better. Oops. The red one, real pretty, and it does come in white. And the bead does run up and down. Let me see if it fits on a pokey tool. And it does fit with some more room. My pokey tool are 2 mm, so they do fit that. So they'll fit a beadable pin also. And then another thing I hauled are these little bows with the bells. And they do come in 2 different colors, the green. Put the bell that way. They do have the little ties on there, so you could take that off easily if you don't want the tie. So look at those. So they come in red and green. Look at that. I got those. Okay, another thing I hauled is this washi tape in the Christmas style. Okay, so you come in the washi tape. It does come in a little container. So you do get your, like, the little star. You don't get a lot of it, but you do get 6 different rows. So you get that one. You got the little snowman. Look at that. This is what says Santa. The cutie. You have presents right there. Love, love, love. I do love the stripes. I'm a sucker for the stripes. And then you do have the poinsettia. Like I said, you don't get a lot, but you get a good decent. You got a good decent amount. So I have those. Then I hauled these Christmas earrings. I thought these were cute. I'm not going to use the earrings. I want to use the candy canes as dangles. Look at that. How cute are those? And they're in pinks. I love those. Like I said, you get 2 of those. Love that. I did haul some safety pins, but I use these for crafting. These are the ones that have the little circles on here. So I make crafts with those. So I got them in purple. I believe I got them in other colors. So I did haul this in the green. Now I thought this would be a more of a mint green. Well, it's kind of mint, but that would be lighter, but it still works. Now this shop has the 3-hole one and the 5. I want the smaller one. So I got the green. I did get this in like the teal. Look at that. I also have this in the red. And of course I got the in the pink. Like I said, you get 5 of them. Now see, this one is the 5 version, and this one is the 3. So I think I messed up. I wanted the 3, but this will work anyways too. I got those. Another thing I hauled are these little, they're like ornament. I would say like charms, because they do have a little, they do have like a hook there, but they look like little mini ornaments. So I got those for like dangles also. So I got those. It's not yarn, but it's like a almost, it's not twine because it's not that thick stuff, but it's in green and red because I don't have any of that. I do have the red and white. I mean green and white. So I got that one. But yeah, it's like a string, which is that. Got that. Now another thing I hauled were these nutcracker wooden pieces. And look at these. Now these are the ones used for crafting. They do come with the twine in there because they do have a hole. But look at these. They have that nutcracker, and like I said, this is out of wood. They get that one. You get this one. Now, how cool would these be? Now, I'm going to DIY with these also. But look at those. How nice are those? But I probably will be coloring the backs. Actually, these are real nice. So, love, love, love. Love those. Now, I have another set of earrings. Now, the ones I buy as earrings is because I can't find, well, I haven't found it, the actual acrylic yet. But I got these ones here. How cute are those? Pink Christmas trees. I'll be using these for dangles instead. Then the next one I have, now this one's like a little kit, like a keychain kit. And you do get your jump rings, and this is in gold. And you do get your, here, let me show you the chain. So you do get your clasps right there. And it does have a chain. So you do get your chain there. And you just hook a charm in each one, or every other one. So I got that. And it comes with some little charms. This one is a kit also. The little Christmas stuff here. Look at that. So you get, yeah. There's regular gold metal charms. So you get trees, stockings, deers. Yeah, so you get a variety. So I got those. Like I said, this came as a kit to do a DIY. And the last thing I hauled, and this is a rebuy because I want to make sure I have it. I have some more in my stash. But this is the magic key. And you get a card, a key, and some ribbon to tie it. And what it says is, with a sprinkle of magic and a dash of holiday cheer, this key only works one day of the year, on Christmas Eve. Hang it just outside your door. Go to bed and worry no more. And I will know just what it's for. That is so cute. And you leave it for Santa Claus. So I love this. So I got these here. And like I said, you get your card. I didn't have my glasses, so hopefully I read it all right. You get your ribbon. And wait till you see the keys. Look at the keys. So these are your little Santa keys. And like I said, they are huge. So you get that. So yeah, that is my little haul that I want to share with you guys. I really like the beads. And like I said, the Santa key, I thought that was adorable. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I would sure love to have you on here. Part of my family. Leave a comment below. Let me know which is your favorite, or if you have any questions. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.